Hey, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to Crypto Pearl, your go-to channel for all things crypto. I've got some thrilling news to share with you. Gate.io will initially list OBOL, spot trading, launch pool and hodler airdrop. Here's the exciting part. Use my exclusive link to sign up, and you'll not only earn up to 40% commission, but you'll also have a chance to unlock a 500 USDT mystery box. This is a golden opportunity you won't want to miss. Click the link below, join the action, and start earning today. Let's dive into the world of crypto together and shape the future. Don't wait. Let's make it happen. Gate.io will initially list OBOL for spot trading on May 7, 2025 at 11 o'clock UTC, launch hodler airdrop and launch pool. Users can stake OBOL, GT and BTC in OBOL launch pool to earn 2,250,000 OBOL airdrop for free, with rewards distributed every hour, exclusive 500% staking limit boost for VIPs. Users holding at least 1 GT and participating in hodler airdrop can share 125,000 OBOL tokens for free. Airdrop details. Hodler airdrop end time, May 7, 2025, 7 o'clock UTC. Total supply, 125,000 OBOL. Unlocking rule, 100% unlock. Trading starts, May 7, 2025, at 11 o'clock UTC. Trading pair, OBOL/USDT. Deposit OBOL. Trade OBOL in USDT market via OBOL hodler airdrop details. The hodler airdrop is exclusively for GT holders. After the OBOL airdrop concludes, no funds will be deducted from participants. Participation rules. Complete identity verification and hold at least 1 GT to share the total reward pool based on your GT holdings snapshot proportion. The maximum participation limit for each user in this event is 2,000 GT. How to claim the airdrop? Log in and complete identity verification. Go to Launch Pool, select Hodler Airdrop, hold at least 1 GT, click Join now. OBOL Launch Pool Airdrop details. Staking period, May 7, 2025, 12 o'clock May 27, 2025, 12 o'clock UTC. Unlocking rule, 100% unlock. Gate.io Launch Pool allows users to stake early. You can stake your assets before the project officially launches, ensuring you start earning rewards immediately once mining begins. Rewards distribution. The system will distribute token rewards to users' spot accounts every hour based on the proportion of assets staked by each user. Launch Pool FAQ. How to participate? Log into your Gate.io account and complete identity verification. Navigate to Gate.io Launch Pool. Hold at least 0.000001 BTC/0.01 GT/1 OBOL. Click Stake. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts on your problem in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.